Good morning, everyone, and thank you so much for being here with us this morning to share another one of our favorite winter books. So today I brought my snowman friend to help me read because we are going to be reading all about what snowmen do at night. And this book is by Caralyn Buehner, and we would like to thank Dial Books for Young Readers for allowing us to read this book today. All right. So see here, we're building our snowman. We've got the body. And there he is. One wintry day, I made a snowman. Very round and tall. The next day when I saw him, he was not the same at all. His hat had slipped, his arms drooped down, and he really looked afraid. It made me start to wonder, what do snowmen do at night? What do you guys think snowmen do at night? Do you think they like to sneak inside and warm up next to the fire? Might melt. Well, do you think they like to go sledding? Or have snowball fights? Let's see. I think that snowmen start to slide when it gets really dark. Off the lawn and down the street and right into the park. They gather in a circle while they wait for all the others, sipping cups of ice-cold cocoa made by snowman mothers. Yummy! A snowman likes cocoa. Then the snowman games begin. They line up in their places, each one anxious for his turn in the snowman races. Woohoo! After everyone has had a chance at racing once or twice, they go on over to the pond to do skating tricks on ice. Sometimes they start giggling, and then they act like clowns. They bump into each other till they all fall down. They gather up their snowballs. The pitcher takes his aim, and underneath the moonlit sky, they play a baseball game. They've got their broomsticks as their bats, and their snowballs as their baseballs. No one knows just how it started, but soon it's quite a sight. With snowmen throwing snowballs in the world's best snowball fight. Oh! Then it's time for sledding. It's a wild ride down the hill. Wahoo! They yell. This is by far the snowman's biggest thrill. How many snowmen are on this sled? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 snowmen on that sled. Finally, they're tuckered out and getting sleepy. So they slowly gather up their things and one by one they go. Oh, look. They look pretty rough, don't they? This one hurt his back. This one lost all of his snowman gear. This one has to be dragged home because he's so tired. So if your snowman's grin is crooked or he's lost a little height, you'll know he's just been doing what snowmen do at night. Thank you guys so much for reading with me today, and thank you for being here with me. And we are so excited to share another one of our favorite stories with you next week. Bye.